hindi pala nakakarinig yung taong, yung waiter for example. Tapos sigaw ka ng sigaw, galit ka na, hindi ka naririnig. Pero may nakasulat pa lang deaf sa likod. Or may ID na may nakasulat na I am a PWD, I can't hear, ganyan. Or may hearing impairment. So, dapat maging maging mindful, maging observant. Para naman, mas, kumbaga, mas nagiging inclusive at accepting at welcoming ang community para sa kanila. Yun. And, yun, respectful representation. When we represent them as as voices of these people with disabilities, dapat nandun pa rin yung respeto sa kanila. In fact, dapat sila mismo yung mag-represent. Halimbawa po ng representation na sinasabi natin is yung mga halimbawa yung movie na lang na na I'm perfect. Okay, very well represented yung yung Down syndrome community. Kasi mismo yung nagganap, may mga Down syndrome. Sometimes, may mga movies na ang mga actors na gaganap, hindi talaga, o wala talagang disability na ganon. But they portray someone, for example, with autism, someone with ADHD. Dapat respectful pa rin yung pagkakaportray nila para makapagbigay pa rin ng tamang awareness sa mga tao. Ayun. Before we go to the closing part of our program, gusto ko pa rin po bation magpasalamat sa mga naghinanyog, nagpartisipar sa satuyang programa ngayon na hapon. Hello, Isan, Ma'am Jesusa, Miss Lien, Ate Badet, ang sakuyang padabang student teacher Angel Ebrada, ang sakuyang estudyante na padabaon ko din si Kai. Hi Kai, para panan ka mo hinanyog ni brother mo. Hi Ann, get my point Ann. Ayan, sakuyang mga kaklase sa college. Malu, I miss you. Ayan, and then thank you po sa akong pamangkin si Neds. And then Sir Vic, thank you so much for your engagement and for participating po sa satuyang programa. Next week ulit, Sir Vic, mag-present ka. Okay? Ayan. So, ang satuyang programa po ngunya na hapon, syempre, because it's Valentine's Day, love is in the air. It's about love. It's about how we should love our brothers and sisters who are part of the PWD community. Ngunyan po, bilang pagtatapos sa tuyang episode mo niya na hapon, ilingon ta naman ining pagkamot na ini sa reflection sa angle kang pagtubod. Let's look into love in through a faith reflection angle. Okay. Ang pagkamot po kaya baga hali sa Diyos. Love mirrors divine love. And when we say divine love, it's unconditional, it's patient, and it's compassionate. Diba? Kung ang tunay na pagkamot kang Diyos dahi namimili, for the past days, ang ating narinig na mga gospel readings, it's about Jesus Christ, healing those who belong to a group who is, the Gentiles, hindi mga Jews. Okay? And then, pumupunta siya doon, nag-preach, wala siyang pinipili. So, ang tunay na pagmamahal ng Diyos ay hindi namimili. Kaya tayo naman, dahil ang pagmamahal naman ay galing sa Diyos, dapat ang ating pagmamahal sa ating kapwa ay hindi rin namimili. Hindi pwedeng kung sino lang ang gusto nating mahalin kasi madali. Pero dapat din tayong matutong magmahal dun sa mga tao na alam nating mahirap din mahalin kasi masakit yun. Okay. And ang mga taong may PWD po, ang una-unang pahiwatig ng ating pagmamahal sa kanila ay acceptance. Kaya, importante po na ma-accept natin sila, and paano tayo na matutulungan yan? With these thoughts that love is not measured by how similar we are. Hindi tayo pare-pareho. Kung pare-pareho tayo, boring yan. Dapat iba-iba. Kasi pag iba-iba, it adds spice sa buhay. Love is measured by how willing we are to embrace differences. Kasi kung magagawa natin ito, na mamahalin natin ang isang tao not because of our similarities with them, but because or despite of their differences. Kahit na naiiba sila sa atin, matuto tayong pumasok sa kanilang mundo, maintindihan sila, at mahalin sila by accepting them, embracing their differences. And with this po, mga katiwala, I would like to leave you with a song na kinakanta namin ni Katiwala Igso Jeremy every Saturday because we believe that it is love that will enable us to advocate for inclusivity, for inclusion. Usually, we sing the Bicol version of this song, but this afternoon, I'm going to sing to you the English version, the original version, because I have friends who are not Bicolanos here who are listening. And yun po. The song that we sing is entitled in Bicol, Pagkamuot. Okay, it was usually before it's sung in the mass sa mga sa offertory. Alam ito ni Ate Badet. So pagkamot baga Ate Badet. Uy, mo-retire na si Ate Badet. Ate Badet, 4 p.m. every Saturday. See you next Saturday ulit, Ate Badet. Okay, so let me sing you the song. Ang English version po, the title is A Child's Plea. Okay. So, a little love that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's all I ask of you. A sunny day to look up to the sky, a hand to help me by. That's all I ask of you. Don't let me down, oh show me that you care. Remember when you give, you also get a share. Don't let me down, I have no time to wait. Tomorrow may not come, by then it'll be too late. Thank you mga katiwala. PWD man o bako, kita gabos katiwala kan Diyos.